Hello guys, it's your friend Ivan from Antique Story, and today I decided to show you this amazing Russian space age tin toy. Well, that was a tongue breaker. This toy is made out of tin. It has a wind-up mechanism inside. And it is a space age toy from the Soviet space program. I like to call it the Moonwalker, since I imagine it driving on the moon. Or that was the idea, since this toy was made around the 70s. Let's give you a good look on the toy. Now let's show you guys the mechanism. It's already trying to go. These are the rubber chains. Don't feel like rubber anymore, more like plastic. Let's wind it up. Okay, the front wheels, they're trying to spin, but it's having a hard time for sure. Look. Houston, we got a problem. We got a flat tire. This is the on and off switch. And there is a little kind of machine gun on the front side. I'm not really sure what this is supposed to be, but it looks like a machine gun. Maybe they expected some resistance on the moon, but who knows. Let's show you the machine gun. Here it is. The tires, they were trying really hard to spin, but since the rubber is not so flexible anymore, it's having a difficult time spinning. Let's see if we can get it to work. If it was well, sometimes it runs, other times it doesn't. It depends if the Moonwalker is in the mood. Another interesting thing to note, guys, is that this part here, where the pilot is supposed to be, it's also spinning. So this is pretty interesting. You see? It's spinning one way and then it's spinning the other way. And sometimes it doesn't spin at all. So I can't seem to figure it out. Look at it. It spins left and right. Alright guys, I hope you found this video to be interesting. Like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you in the next one.